Hey, I'm Michael from DistroMike, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between HHC and CBD. Now, they're sort of similar, but they have very, very different effects. They are both hemp-derived. They were sort of both legalized and became mainstream under the 2018 Farm Bill. CBD, I'm sure many of you have tried, we know as sort of a slight medical benefit type of cannabinoid, meaning it helps you relax, can help you sleep. I can't make any medical claims on this video. The FDA does not allow it since technically CBD is not an FDA approved product. But when we think of CBD, we think of overall health, wellness, but we do not think of highness, meaning you can take a lot of CBD and you are not going to get high. I don't think there's any amount of CBD that you could consume where you would actually feel high. Now, you can feel something from CBD, but it's not a high. It is I describe it as a head buzz or a body buzz. You're feeling good, you're feeling loose, but you're definitely not high. Now, HHC, on the other hand, is actually derived from hemp or from CBD. You're essentially taking CBD isolate and you're converting it into HHC. HHC will get you high. HHC is essentially THC with an additional hydrogen molecule added. So the conversion is CBD isolate into delta 8 into HHC. HHC has effects very similar to real cannabis, meaning you are stoned, you're baked, you're high. In regards to medical benefits, there's really not been any research done on what sort of health or medical benefits HHC could have for you. So we're definitely not going to go over that today. But HHC, we're going to put it in the same classification as THC or weed, meaning it gets you high while CBD does not. So if you want something that maybe just relaxes you a little bit, could possibly help you sleep at night, help calm you down, but you don't want to be high, I definitely recommend CBD. If you want to try out some CBD products today, go over to cleanafcbd.com, use discount code HHC versus CBD at checkout. We'll give you 25% off your first order, and see if you like it. Now, on the other hand, maybe you've tried CBD before and it didn't quite do enough, and you want to get stoned, you want to get baked, you want to feel something, go check out bakedhhc.com. At checkout, use discount code HHC versus CBD for 25% off your order. We own and operate both of these brands. All of our products are quality guaranteed, meaning if you have any problems at all, let us know and we'll make it right. If you have any other questions about what is HHC or CBD, or really anything hemp, cannabis, or vape related, please let us know. We are DistroMike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.